In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can adjust the brightness of your videos or of your image in KineMaster app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, by adjusting the brightness of your image or your video, you'll make your video look more appealing and also give it more light. To do so, it is quite simple. Just go ahead and tap on your video on the timeline, and then you'll see this menu. From here, scroll down until you see this option called Adjust. If you go ahead and tap on it, now you can see we have various parameters that you can choose from, such as brightness, contrast, saturation, and also vibrance. So you can now adjust the brightness of your image or of your video by scrolling this left and right. Once you get the perfect color or the perfect brightness, you can go ahead and leave it at that. So that's how you adjust the brightness of your videos in KineMaster. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.